Hello, bonjour, ça va? Lee Rice here in Dol-de-Bretagne. I'm sure I probably pronounced it wrong. My 657th place. I met a lovely lady who came to sit next to me. I'll start with the positives. And she gave €10. I wasn't even playing. In the rest of the time combined that I have played, one teenage girl stopped and one adult out of approximately 200 people. As I sit here standing with God, the children, and our one and only home, in the 657th place, all bar one single adult, and the lady who sat next to me has walked past an original writer of 20 years and now a signed artist. I don't say that to do with ego. I'm saying this for the sake of all of the people, all of the musicians of the world that have suffered as a direct result of the loss of empathy and the lack of care by the adult society. I've watched for a long time, as I've said in other videos. They keep on walking past homeless people in trouble. They keep on walking past any type of musician, pretty much, unless you're a world-class guitar player. The vast majority of 99 out of 100 adults will walk past every single musician I watch, every single homeless person I watch. There's a much bigger picture, and I watch it unfold day in, day out. And it's absolute insanity to witness the absolute loss of empathy and care and time from the adult society. And that's what I'm witnessing day in, day out. The address, the location makes absolutely no difference at all. It's the same problem everywhere I go. A gentleman's just coming over now. Merci beaucoup, sir. I was going to say senor. Merci beaucoup, monsieur. So that's nice. It's only the second adult older than, say, 19, other than the lady who sat next to me, who stopped again in another place of 6,000 population. I'm not attacking anyone, I'm just explaining the current situation of absolute insanity in the adult society that I'm witnessing at the worst level I've ever seen. The lack of compassion and care or time for music, art, nature, or anything else exactly the other way is the lowest I've ever seen. I'm talking fast because most of you won't make it to this stage of the video. I don't want to say most like it's an attack. So I wrote this in Biarritz. It's called Back to the Sweetest Sounds of Love. I haven't played it myself for a while. I'm very tired again, of course, after playing. I've walked 30 kilometers since last night. Again, fine, I don't mind. I love nature. It's been cold and all of this. I'll breathe a few times and I'll try and do it. And his queens in this reality for dreams. Will you meet me on the other side? Morning calls, dressed in brilliant lights. There's an orchestra surrounding you, the sweetest sounds of life. Take me back to the sweetest sounds of life. Take me Take me back to the sweetest sounds of love. Take me back to the sweetest sounds of love. There's kings and there's queens, when there's reality or dopamine dreams. I could turn you the camera and show you. Will you meet me on the other side? Will you meet me on the reality side? Will you meet me on the other side? Take me back to the sweetest sounds of love. Take me back to the sweetest sounds of love. Take me back to the sweetest sounds of love. Take me back to the sweetest sounds of love. So wait, let me pick up my pens. For anyone who watches this later, now, well not now because I'm recording it, I'm going to share it very shortly. Not one single adult today or any day sees, hear or feels any single word that I say or anyone else. They're absolutely hypnotized. Many of you won't have got this far because perhaps you're hypnotized too. To witness day in, day out the insanity, a high percentage of people reject automatically, doesn't matter what I say or what I play. And again, I don't say this for the sake of myself. I say this for the sake of all of the musicians and all of the homeless people that have suffered as a direct result of the absolute loss, lack of care and decay of empathy in the adult society. At this current time, I've never seen anything like it in all of my 10.5-year journey. I share this for the sake of you, whoever sees it later, to help you realise that there's homeless people been dying on the streets for years, many world's artists have suffered, and there's a bigger picture outside of COVID, that adults walk through this city and every city with absolutely no empathy or no compassion for anything at all. The truth, it's just the truth. Every single child notices, and every single child takes the time, and 99 out of 100 adults no empathy or no compassion or no time for anything at all. It's a bigger picture and it's absolute insanity to witness it every single day. I'll keep on going because I've only got 43 places left to finish now anyway, so I'll keep on going. God bless.